Good morning.
Hey. Those were my dad's. They're probably circa 1970s.
Radio, yeah, 80s, 80s. But you know what? I think they're cool. I'm gonna take them.
Great.
For $5, I can't beat it.
You can get some use out of them of some sort.
See what else you got over here. Been busy this morning?
Not really.
Seems to be kind of spread out.
Yeah. Yeah, I have no clue what's in those pockets or anything, so there's
might be some bonuses in there, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's some tees, balls.
I buy a lot of golf clubs, and I've found liquor bottles and all kinds of stuff in those pockets before. It's crazy.
That is a candle holder.
That's really neat. So do you put one big candle in it, or is there a bunch of little candles?
You put one big candle in it, but what it came is like from the 1960s.
Yeah.
And it had multiple long ones.
Gotcha.
I think you could probably find those online again.
Yeah, that's really neat. How much you want for that?
$3.
All right, you talked me into it.
Talk you into it.
Talk me into it. All right, so I'll put him in here.
Something different.
Yeah. All right, so I owe you $8, right?
Yep.
I have to give you 10. I'm $1 short on my ones.
That's great. That's fine. Yeah. There you go.
Perfect. Thank you.
Enjoy those clubs.
Oh, yeah.
As I said, they were my dad's at one point.
Yeah.
And then he handed them down to my husband.
They're in really good condition for as old as they are.
Yeah. They have not been used probably in 15 years. But I know that with equipment like that, it's all
Everybody wants the new stuff now.
they all have new stuff.
That's
yeah.
right. I can't hit any of them, so it doesn't matter to me. Appreciate it. If you're new here, you're probably wondering why I'm buying 40-year-old golf clubs and weird candle holders from a garage sale. Well, it's because I actually take this stuff and flip it on eBay, hopefully for a profit. Now, the candle holder is not a huge profit, but it'll certainly sell because it's Dansk. Dansk is pretty collectible, especially if you can find the teak stuff. That stuff sells for some crazy prices on eBay. And then the golf clubs, yes, they're 40 years old, but they're pretty collectible and people actually still use them. These are Ben Hogan radial irons. They were released in 1983 and they're actually in pretty good condition. They should sell eventually for $75 to $100, so definitely worth a $5 investment. And then at this next sale, I actually found one of the fastest selling things on eBay that you can find. How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Good. You in charge? I see 750 and 2, and there's not a price on that one. Do another 2 on that one?
Yes.
Maybe 950, 1050?
Yes.
All right. There's 11. That's close enough.
I got change in the house.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Y'all have a good day. Good luck with your sale.
Thank you.
She said, I got all this stuff from I need to get out.
Yeah, I mean,
It's on the knockoff stuff.
so.
little red dot in here, like if you lean it up, you put that dot on the moon and then you look through it.
All right, we're getting that. $2. I'm gonna give you $2 for this.
I feel it because we
Oh,
said
that's
we
you?
were not
That's
gonna
me.
buy
Thank you.
anything.
The old power pot.
Oh, I'm looking forward to hitting that. Y'all have a good one.
Oh, you didn't. We don't get that driving iron to go with it.
That slot line?
Yeah.
I saw it.
That's it's actually a 0. That's how much loft that baby's got.
Jeez. $5.
Now give me another 2 and take it with you.
All right.
I mean the grip. That's $9 grip on it.
Plus the labor. Appreciate it.
No, thank you.
Y'all have a good day. This is absolutely one of the craziest golf clubs that I've ever found. It's an Orizaba Power Pod. And these things actually sell pretty well on eBay for like 30 or 40 bucks, depending on condition. This one's got some scuffs on the bottom, but that doesn't really matter because I took this thing out to the driving range the other day because how could you not hit a golf club like this? It's crazy. And I actually hit this thing better than any driver that I've ever had. So for now, it's going in my bag. Good morning. How are y'all?
Morning. Jason, we got 10 button up shirts.
How much are your polos?
What's that?
How much are your polo shirts?
Everything's $2 and 3 for 5.
Okay.
How you doing?
I'm all right. Oh, you got some cool Lego sets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was, I'd be dead by the time I completed that one.
That was 6,000 pieces. That was a good one. So
How much is that one?
it was I paid $5.50 for it, but I'm selling it for $129. I'd
120.
probably sell it for $99.
And this one's 10.
Yeah, I do sell that one.
Is it complete, the Seinfeld?
Yeah, it's a complete one. It's got the book in it and everything.
Oh, man.
It's pretty fun. I was not a very huge Seinfeld person, but it was actually pretty cool.
But the minifigures are so
Yeah,
cool.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to get that. And I got some shirts here.
Okay.
All right, I got those and the Seinfeld.
Okay.
So that's 10. You said 3 for 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 10 and 10? 20?
20. Yeah.
Awesome. There's that
All right.
for you. So these shirts were all Nike dry fit shirts, and some of them were actually Tour Performance, which is pretty good. And I don't sell these on eBay. I've actually been running Whatnot golf shows. I'll start these polos off at 10 bucks. Sometimes they don't sell at all. Sometimes they sell for 20. You never know. It's an auction. But I'm definitely not going to lose money at less than $2 a piece. But these Legos, I really don't like buying unsealed Legos because even if a person says it's complete, is it complete, the Seinfeld?
Yeah, it's a complete one. It's got the book in it and everything.
You never know until you spend that time, which is going to be several hours, to put these things together or go through the inventory list and make sure everything's there. But at 10 bucks into a potential 80 to 100, I thought it might be worth it. And luckily for me, I have a friend who's really into Legos, and I mentioned to her that I bought this set and she wanted to put it together. So after a couple of nights, she completed the set, and sure enough, it was missing like 8 to 10 pieces. Now I'm still gonna make money. I could sell the minifigures for like 40 bucks. I could sell it incomplete for 50 or 60 as a set, or I could actually order the extra pieces from sites like BrickSeek to fill out the set and sell it as complete. Haven't really investigated the cost to do that yet. We'll sit down and figure that out one day. But Legos are definitely a lot of work if that's something you're going to get into to resell. But sometimes the stuff that you find at garage sales that you are going to resell is not as cool as the people. That's what happened at this next garage sale. I met some interesting folks. Morning, how are y'all?
Another Southern boy. How y'all?
How y'all?
Up there. Portholes. Look at them portholes, man.
Portholes.
That's a left-handed first baseman.
That's cool.
I got it turned like that so it'll stretch out. You can turn it back right side.
Oh, I got you.
Got lots of cameras, dude.
Cameras in here?
Yeah, that's the oldest. The black one is the Minolta from like 1990. And then we got this one over here.
This is new,
That
this
is
one.
pretty new. We just got it from Walmart. Then we've got our cell phones.
Yeah, your cell phones are way better. How much is this one?
Make me an offer.
I don't know. Throw something at me.
$20.
20 bucks for that one.
Yeah.
So this is a Minolta.
Yeah, that's really nice. That's got all the lenses. The only lens that's missing is the wide angle.
Gotcha.
I left it on the picnic table up in the mountains.
All right, talk me into this one. I like the Canons.
Yeah, you not crazy about the Minolta?
Not really.
That's the ST101. Man.
Oh, I see the porthole now that you were talking about. That is
They're from a sunken merchant ship. It was actually a hospital ship.
a sunken one? Does that mean you went down and got it?
No, my great uncle did.
I got you.
But if you look at that close enough, you can still see some white paint in the hinges.
Yeah?
And one of the glasses, just at the bottom, like 1 inch across the bottom, like a smiley face,
Yeah?
is rippled. And I asked my uncle, I said, why is it rippled like that? He said, it probably got torpedoed and was burning in that section of the ship.
Oh, wow.
Because that glass is not easy to even put a bullet through, let alone burn.
Yeah, absolutely.
So it was definitely a major catastrophe on sea.
That is cool. And it's solid brass, too, I'm sure.
Oh, yeah.
And heavy.
This is the other camera. This is, we use only once.
Okay. How much is that one?
Yeah,
We bought for
240.
240,
I don't know,
100,
80.
80.
Yeah.
We used it only once. And I bought this one. You use only one in Europe. We went to Europe in my country. And
No, what country is that? Where are you from?
we're going there now. We live for good. Bulgaria.
Bulgaria, really? That's cool.
And
See it
moving.
before you die, dude.
Yeah? Amazing.
So amazing.
And probably a lot cheaper, too. Better health care?
Oh, yeah.
Not better doctors,
Oh, yeah?
better pricing.
Gotcha.
Everything here is also for sale.
Oh, okay. I didn't even take a peek
Oh,
back
that
there.
alabaster, that stuff is really going up in value.
Oh, that's neat.
We got the two,
I
King
love-
and the Queen,
I love the owl.
alabaster owl.
That guy's heavy.
Yeah, it's real heavy.
It's for sale too.
Oh, he's cool.
I was telling people earlier, if they took the table and the King and Queen, I'd throw the owl in for free. And check out what's above you.
This guy?
Lee Marvin and Jack Palance.
That's cool.
That's from some movie, man.
I remember when he was in City Slickers. That's how old I am.
Oh, what a great movie. Did you see when he won the Academy Award? For
Did the
best-
one-handed push-ups?
one-handed push-ups?
Yeah.
He says, I'll show you, old man, motherfucker.
That's a cool dude.
He was a cool dude. I loved Lee Marvin in that movie, Cat Ballou.
I don't know. Who is this guy?
You're not old enough. That's Beanie, 1961.
Beanie.
That was under my arm for 3 years when I was a little boy.
I bet.
It's antique for people.
It's very old.
Oh, yeah.
If you're online for $100, I'm just looking to get $20 for it.
Gotcha. Well, I'm going to grab the camera.
Okay?
I appreciate it. This one right here.
Don't need any tools?
No, I got too many now that I don't even use.
I hear you, man.
So there's that.
No, give that to her. I'll
Oh,
take
she's
it.
in charge?
Yeah.
There you go. I appreciate it, and good luck with your move.
All right, buddy. Hey, you need a paper cutter?
I don't.
Like in art class when you raise that?
Right.
that
And
cleaver?
cut the end of your finger off?
Yeah, my art teacher actually cut his finger off with one of those.
I believe it.
Right in the middle of class, he said, "Oh, I guess you're all going to have to go down to the cafeteria." I cut my finger off. He was
Ooh.
real calm about it. I was like, dude.
Yeah.
I wrapped a T-shirt around it and ran him down to the nurse's office and said, "Call an ambulance right now."
Ooh.
I cut my thumb off when I was a kid. I got experience with that.
Yeah, I guarantee you. I guarantee. Well, appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. That guy was pretty cool. And honestly, that's half the fun of going to these garage sales. It's not always about the stuff that you find, because you meet some interesting people like this guy. But what I did find was a Canon AE1 35mm camera. Older camera, but there's a really high demand. These things always sell super quick. Unfortunately, mine was not in working condition. It was nice and clean, but not working. And it still sold in 2 days for $69 plus shipping. Also pulled a separate lens out of that bag that even had a dent in it, and it sold for $39 plus shipping in a couple of days as well. So for 20 bucks, not too bad. And also, I kind of want to go to Bulgaria now. You guys want to do like a reseller meetup in Bulgaria? You can let me know. In the meantime, I'll do some research and see if they have thrift stores and garage sales there. But do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.